Hi, I'm Michael from Expo Supply.
Today in the spotlight are ODIN Par Lighting. These are the ODIN 200 watt RGB, and if you really need power, the 300 watt. With a sturdy housing and solid mounting, plus specific accessories for booth construction, you can install them quickly and safely. You can daisy chain the lamps with the cables. You can dim the lamps. You can also set all three models to various white tones and groups, and all of this is easy to do right here on the display. For back walls, product zones, or just general lighting, the ODIN is plug and play. Would you like to see what the ODIN can do for your booth? You can simply request a demo through our official website, or schedule a personal appointment directly with our account manager.